today we have the famous problem, Fizz. I guess it's a quite easy problem. I guess maybe most of you is familiar with it. However, I didn't solve it before, but I am aware of it, and I know it's one of the most famous problems actually in all of the problem interviews. So basically, all of interviews problem. Okay, so basically, let's just talk about this one. We have an integer n, return a string array answer, one indexed where answer of I equals Fizz if I is divisible by 3 and 5, answer I equals Fizz if I is divisible by 3, answer I equals buzz if I divisible by 5, answer I equals I as answer if none of the above are true. So basically we got this integer n. So basically we have 1, 2, 3. This one we have 5. So basically in the 3 one we have 1, 2, because 3 is divisible by 3, so it's Fizz. We have in 5 1, 2, because Fizz is divisible, we have 3, and Fizz divisible is 3, so it's Fizz. 4, 5, because 5 is divisible by 5, is Buzz. And we have the same here, and it's 15, and we have Fizz Buzz at the end. And n will be 10 squared, so I guess we should care about the term complexity. So let's just look about how we could achieve this problem. By the way, I'm using Miro. It's good board, good digital board actually. It's a pretty good. So I will just start to make a small diagram. Let's just keep this again because we need it. So basically, let's just talk about it. So we have an array, and this array it has like 1, 2, 3, and 1 minute. 4. Sorry, it's I'm not good at the board. I'm new. Let's just clean this one. And 4. Yeah, 4 and 5. And it's all the way to, let's say 15, for example. It could be more than that. Just a minute. Oops. What's not doing well? Oh, minute. Okay, this is not bad. So let's just try to close the array. So basically, let's just see, look at each one of them here. So basically, we want to make sure that any number divisible by let's just put this one, if it's divisible by let's say that by, oh shit, sorry for saying that, is divisible by 3. Let's just go up just a minute. Okay, basically if divisible by, this is divisible by 3, so it should be what should be, it should be Fizz and Buzz and Fizz Buzz. Okay, this should be Fizz, and this should be Buzz, and which is by 15, or by both, it's Fizz. A minute. It's Fizz Buzz. So basically, and also all the numbers between, like we have talked about, like 9 and 10. For example, 9 will be Fizz, and 10 will be Buzz. So let's just take a good deep to it. So understand. So basically, what we can do to make this one, we have an integer, and we just create we put all of its indexes here, and each index that it's divisible by 3, we will give it Fizz, and by 5 buzz both it will be Fizz buzz. So one of the things that we can do is we could create an array, and we could divide it by each one. And the thing that one here, how we can do it's that we can do the module operator. Basically, this is the module operator, and basically what it's doing, yeah, this is the module operator in JavaScript. And what's do basically, so basically if 9 by 3, it will equal 0. If this is not 9 and it was like, for example, 10, let's just delete all of that. So basically, let's just put it again. So basically, if it was 10 and 3, it will equals 1. Why? Because basically it will be let's divide all of the numbers and just add the rest. So basically it's it's 10 divisible by 3. No, so what is the closest number? So basically we go less by 1. So basically we find 9. Is 9 right? Yes. So basically how many numbers we went? This one is 3. How many numbers left? Basically this one. So basically it equals 1. However, when we got maybe like Fizz by, and we multiply it by 3, it will equal 0. That means we put Fizz, it's 5, we put buzz, 15, it will be Fizz buzz. I guess the problem is quite straightforward. I don't know if you like, if you like me using this board, I will continue using it. This is my first time using it, so actually I'm quite new with it. So maybe like you'll find that I'm not typing that well with it, but I guess I'll be better in the future. So however, let's start and dig into the code directly. So we have this one here. Let's just start to discuss what we have seen. So basically I will just we will have the a minute, let me just unplug the board. Okay, so let's just see how we are doing it. So basically I will just have a const output, I'll call it an array, and basically I guess I'm returning this array. Return out put. This is output, sorry. So basically let's just say that we will do what we had just have said. So basically I will make a for loop. I'll make a for loop. It will equals let I equals 1, because actually we don't want to make any divisible by with 0. And I will say I less than n, and I plus plus. Oh no, a minute. Where's the I plus plus? Let's just clean the code here. So what we could do that, I will say that if I module operator, if I or 15 equals 0, it will be output dot push Fizz buzz. Else if I 5 equals 0, the same thing, but it will be get buzz only. Alright, it will be buzz here. The last one, it will be Fizz, just else 3 it will be Fizz, and else if it's not anything of this one, we just push the actual I. And I guess this will work. Let's just see. Submit. Oh, wrong answer. Why? Why it's wrong answer? It's we have let I equals 1, I less than, I guess less than or equal. Yeah. Wrong answer. Still wrong answer. Why? Yeah. Ah, sorry. Let's see this one. Oh, still wrong. Push. Okay. Okay, and it's better than 83%. I guess it's a good solution, and I guess I will copy the solution and I'll put it in the description. You can feel free to look at my solution, and just if you find something that I have done wrong, we can talk about it, and also comment about if you like me using the board. I guess it's maybe like makes our life way more easier. So basically this is a board. I guess if someone look at it, it will understand nothing. However, I guess maybe with time I will get more comfortable with using the board, and I guess I will be better in describing. So that's it for today, and thank you for continuing listening all of this interview, all of this video, and see you tomorrow.